Hello friends, welcome to JavaScript video tutorials series. From the past few video tutorials, we are trying to understand JavaScript operators. In the previous video tutorials, we have already discussed almost every JavaScript operator. We discussed logical operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operator, shorthand assignment operators, bitwise operators, bitwise shift operators, increment operator, decrement operator, conditional operator, and special operators. We left with one more concept with respect to JavaScript operators, that is precedence and associativity of JavaScript operators. What is precedence? What is associativity? Precedence. While evaluating a given expression, which operator should be evaluated first before the other? That is, while evaluating a given expression, which operator needs to be given higher precedence than the other? For example, in this given expression, which operator should be evaluated first before the other is determined by precedence. Whether the multiplication operator should be evaluated first before the others, or the division operator should be evaluated first before the others, or equal to operator should be evaluated first before the others, which one is going to be evaluated next, that is determined by the precedence. Similarly, associativity. If same operator appears one or more times in an expression, in which direction the specific operator or operators need to be evaluated is determined by associativity. In this expression, you can see that the plus operator is available 3 times. Whether we have to evaluate the plus operators from left to right or right to left is determined by the associativity. Hope you guys have clearly understood what is the difference between precedence and associativity. Precedence indicates which operator need to be evaluated first before the others. Associativity indicates in which direction the operator should be evaluated. To evaluate any given expression, browser uses the precedence and associativity of JavaScript operators table. It uses this table to evaluate any expression. In the leftmost column, we have p.level. P.level means precedence level. We have total 12 levels. Lower the precedence level number, the higher the precedence. That means here parenthesis has the highest precedence than any other JavaScript operator. Similarly, the comma has the lowest precedence than any other JavaScript operators. You can remember the precedence table very easily by remembering this shortcut P umasre BLCAC. P umasre BLCAC. P for parenthesis, which has the highest precedence, U for unary operators, next precedence, M for multiplicative, A for additive, S for shift, R for relational, E for equality, B for bitwise, L for logical, C for conditional, A for assignment, C for comma operator. Hope you guys have understood the precedence table. Similarly, in the rightmost column, I have associativity. Unary operators and assignment operators are having right to left associativity, whereas all other operators are having left to right associativity. Let's have a demonstration and get some idea about precedence and associativity. I go to Notepad. You can see that I have already opened default.html in the Notepad. It has the basic HTML document structure code button. Title is set to precedence and associativity. In the body section, I have already written opening script and closing script tag. I have already opened default.html in the Chrome. Title is set to precedence and associativity. I go to Notepad. In between the script tag, I say var a equals to 2 plus 2 plus 2 semicolon. Then I say document.write display the value of a. What output we get? What actually does the browser with respect to this line? Here first it checks how many operators are there. Okay, we have equal to operator, we have plus operator. Then it goes to the precedence table and checks which operator has the higher precedence. Here the plus has the higher precedence than the equal to. Okay, that means the plus operators should be evaluated first. Then it checks there are more than one plus operators. It checks the associativity. Plus operators are having left to right. That means the leftmost plus should be evaluated first. 2 plus 2, 4. Then the 4 plus 2 is going to be evaluated. We get 6. Then the equal to operator is going to be evaluated. 6 will be assigned to A. We get the output here 6 on the screen. Hope you guys have clearly understood how the browser evaluates the given expression by referring the precedence and associativity table. File, save, go to browser and refresh. We got the output 6. Let's see more examples. Okay, I'm going to copy this line of code, paste down here. I add the break tag so that the browser moves a cursor to the next line. Then I create one more variable var b is equal to, this time I write 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5 semicolon. Then I say I'm going to copy these two lines of code, paste down here, display the value of b. What output we get here? 2 plus 3 is going to be 5. 5 into 5 is 25. You might think that the output is going to be 25. No, that is wrong. Browser is going to refer the precedence and associativity table here. We have multiplication operator, plus operator and equal to operator. In the precedence table, the multiplicative operators are having the higher precedence than the plus operator. The plus operator has the higher precedence than the equal to operator. So first multiplication operator is going to be evaluated. 5 into 3 is going to be 15. Then the plus operator has the higher precedence. So 15 plus 2 is going to be 17. 17 will be assigned to B. So we get the output here 17, not 25, friends. Let me write here 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that we got the output 17, not 25. That is how the browser evaluates the given expressions by referring the precedence and associativity table. Let me give one more example. I am going to copy these 3 lines of code and paste here. I say here C and I give another expression in this place. I say 3 multiplied by 5 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 3 semicolon. And here I display the value of C. What output we get? 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 divided by 2 is around 9.5. 9.5 plus 3 is 12.5. You might be thinking we get the output 12.5 something, but that is wrong, right? So here how the browser evaluates the expression. How it is going to evaluate the expression means, okay, we have multiplication operator, we have plus operator, division operator, equal to operator. Which operators are having the higher precedence than the other here? It refers the precedence table. Multiplicative operators are having the higher precedence than the additive operators, and additive operators are having the higher precedence than the assignment operators. Multiplicative, additive are having left to right associativity. So in this place 3 into 5 is going to be evaluated first. 3 into 5 is 15. Then 4 divided by 2 is going to be evaluated. 4 divided by 2 is 2, right? So 15 plus 2 is going to be evaluated left to right, right? Plus operators are there. Left to right associativity the plus operator has. So 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 plus 3 is going to be 20. 20 will be assigned to C. We get the output here 20 on the screen. If I write here 3 into 5 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 3, right? That's what we have written. File, save, go to browser and refresh. We got the output 20. That is how the browser evaluates the given expression, friends. Let me give one more example. I'm going to copy this code, paste down here. This time I use parenthesis. I put this 5 plus 4 in brackets. How this expression is going to be evaluated, we see that I say here D equal to, here I say D. What output we get, we understand. We know that the highest precedence will be given to parenthesis. So parenthesis is going to be evaluated first. 5 plus 4 is going to be 9. Okay. Then we have multiplication, division, plus. We know that multiplicative operators are having the highest precedence than the additive operators. So, and multiplicative operators are having left to right associativity. So left to right operators are going to be evaluated. 9 into 3 is going to be 27. Then 27 divided by 2. How much it is going to be? I think it is 13.5 something. So we get here 13.5. Then the plus operator is going to be evaluated because plus has the higher precedence than the assignment. 13.5 plus 3 is 16.5. 16.5 will be assigned to D. We get the output here 16.5 on the screen. Let me write the expression again. 3 into, in bracket, 5 plus 4 bracket close, divided by 2 plus 3. Let's see the output. File, save, go to browser and refresh. We got the output 16.5. Hope you guys have clearly understood how the precedence and associativity of operators works and how the browser evaluates the given expression. We can try this also. I'm going to copy this expression and paste here. Tab, I say var E, and I'm copy these two lines of code, paste down. Here I give a semicolon, and here we display the output E. How the browser is going to evaluate this expression? Again, we have multiplication and division that are having the higher precedence than the addition and subtraction. So 5 into 3 is going to be evaluated first, 15. Then 4 divided by 2 is going to be evaluated. That is going to be 4 by 2 is 2. Then we have plus, 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 minus. We know that additive operators are having left to right associativity. So 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 minus 10 is 30. Equal to sign has right to left associativity. So 30 will be assigned to the left hand side variable E. We get the output here 30 on the screen. Let me copy that expression one more time. I copy that and paste here. File, save, go to browser and refresh. We got the output 30. That is all about precedence and associativity of JavaScript operators. I suggest you people to try to remember the precedence and associativity table, which is very helpful for debugging purpose and all. For this video tutorial, this much is enough, friends. For more benefits and be up to date, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, comment and share these videos with others so that everyone will get benefited. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.